So our top focus here, another bad day for the Congress in the capital's MCD elections while the BJP celebrates. The Congress will now have to decide who will take the blame for this election debacle. Now, uncomfortable questions are already being raised about Sheila Dikshit, her role, and of course the Congress party. But what's more worrying is the overarching sense that the MCD results are only an indicator of what awaits Sheila Dikshit and the Congress in the assembly election scheduled for next year, and perhaps this is a barometer of where the Congress will be heading in 2014.
Sheila Dikshit throwing her might behind Congress candidates for the MCD polls, leading the charge to take the corporation back from the BJP. Sheila Dikshit hoping to work her magic in the municipal election, replicate her state-level success in the MCD.
जिस तरह की दिल्ली कांग्रेस पार्टी में बनाएंगे, उसी तरह की दिल्ली MCD में भी बने.
Sheila Dikshit on the day the BJP stormed back to power in the MCD, dealing a body blow to her ambition of establishing the Congress's supremacy in Delhi. Putting up a brave face, the CM met the few winners her party managed. But behind this facade, Delhi's hat-trick CM is defeated, cornered, isolated within her own party.
The next elections to the Delhi Assembly will be a great litmus test even for her if the Congress party continues to suffer the image erosion that it has since 2009 after the election of UPA on account primarily of the major corruption scams.
Now congressmen blame her government's policies and bitter infighting between camps for the debacle.
एक तो जो हम इस बात पे एग्री नहीं थे, कॉर्पोरेशन का डिवीजन हो 3 जगह, एक कॉर्पोरेशन होनी चाहिए थी. एक कारण ये रहा. फिर लोगों में जो बिजली पानी के बिल जो बढ़े हैं, एक महंगाई की तरफ लोगों ने जो एक प्रश्न चिन्ह लगाया हमारे ऊपर, वो इसी बात को लेके केंद्र बिंदु करता है और हार के मुख्य कारण हमारे ये रहे हैं.
It is the responsibility of everybody, especially PCC president who was heading the party, and of course Sheila ji, she is the chief minister of the state, and I being the in charge of the DPCC, I also share the responsibility.
मैं समझता हूं कि इनर पार्टी फाइट से नुकसान हुआ.
Quickly the damage control was in place. East Delhi MP Sandeep Dikshit sprung to his mother's defence, passing the buck instead to the centre.
We could not separate the general, so slightly, anti-Congress environment that was built up due to, various 2G scams and things like that. There is a perception that price rise is hitting the common man pretty badly, and I think that's something that cost us dearly.
The fact remains that even in East Delhi, from where Sandeep Dikshit is an MP and which is considered the family's stronghold, the Congress came a distant second behind the BJP. The one area her government showcased for its stellar development. But suddenly that pitch doesn't seem to find favour with the voters.
It's a warning, and what we cannot forget is that if Congress could not take advantage of anti-incumbency in the municipal corporation elections, can Sheila Dikshit fight anti-incumbency of 3 terms when 2013 polls are held?
After a complete washout in the assembly elections of Uttar Pradesh, Congress again bit the dust in the MCD polls of Delhi. But unlike UP, in Delhi, MPs are not shying away from addressing the basic facts as to why they lost the polls. And finally, people are admitting that the price rise did them in. With camera person Rajiv Srivastav, Kartikeya Sharma from Delhi for Headlines Today.